Located in the center of Casper, I have got the perfect new listing for you. This home has a brand new kitchen I cannot wait to show you, and space for everyone. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at our newest listing at 1726 South Jackson. Let's go look around. Of course, we have to start in the kitchen because it's my very favorite place in this home. I love that this wall was partially opened and we have this awesome eating area, so people can be sitting there also when you're cooking in the kitchen. Wood cabinets, they're the taller uppers with the crown molding, quartz countertops. I love the backsplash. It's that round penny tile, newer stainless steel appliances, and lots of counter space. Now there's a bonus. This is the perfect eat-in kitchen. You could put a coffee bar here, whatever your heart desires. Right up the kitchen as we go toward the back of the house, there is an amazing pantry. As you enter into this home, this room could be used as a dining room like we have it here, or as a huge family room. This fireplace is non-functional, but doesn't it have the coolest look? The bathroom's been updated as well. Tile surround, new soaker tub, double vanity. I love those mirrors and how large this bathroom is. 2 large bedrooms with natural light, and the laminate flows through this entire level. Can you just imagine hanging out and relaxing in this awesome living room? Plenty of room for furniture, and there's lots of natural light. We're in the 5th bedroom. And wouldn't this be fun to have as a bedroom? Now, let me show you a hidden gem upstairs. This could be used as an office, a workout room, or the closet of your dreams. 2 more spacious bedrooms downstairs. One of them has an egress window. There's a separate laundry area, and this home has a new high-efficiency furnace. One different thing about this basement is that it could be used as a second residence, as it does have kitchen cabinets and a sink. So this home is a total of 5 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It also has a 1-car garage. One other thing I wanted to tell you is that most of the windows are new vinyl. This is the perfect first-time homebuyer house. I would love to show you this home. This home actually qualifies for the first-time homebuyer program through WCDA. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.